how to buy Cunget Festive Black combo. There's a combo that you buy. When you buy it, you get 6% off. It needs to be strictly 2 tickets and 2 t-shirts. That's when you get 6% off from your total amount spent. So what you need to do with that is you're going to open the ticket. You're going to add 2 and then add them to cart. And after you adding them to cart, you don't proceed to checkout. You go back, and then there are 2 t-shirts, one black, one navy blue. Let's say for example you need one black and one navy blue. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to say add to cart, and then it needs your size. Let's say you're buying it for yourself or for someone else, and you're wearing 2 different sizes. Here you're going to say maybe medium, and then add to cart. You don't go, you come back, and then you want the medium, you say select the product, and then choose size. Maybe the person is wears small, and then choose small, and then add to cart. And then from there you can proceed to checkout. Proceeding to checkout, most important thing that you need to do when you get there before you can do anything else. As you can see, the price says 660, and you need a coupon to get discounted for that 6%. So what you're gonna need to do from then is you're gonna say coupon. The coupon, you must have seen it. It's CUN 20. So this is going to discount you. As you can see now, it's no longer 630, it's 525. So from then, you're gonna need to log in if you're coming for a second time. But if you're coming for the first time, you just need to fill in your details until you get to create account password. Then that's when you create a new password for your Africa account. And then in this case I'm going to log in because I'm a returning customer. And then from then I filled in the details that are needed, important for communication, so that we are able to communicate with you. And then since when you bought tickets, remember you bought 2 tickets, one for yourself and another for someone else. I'm going to choose a payment method. There are 2 payment methods you can use on the website. One, which is direct bank transfer. How direct bank transfer works: what you do is you place your order. You're going to get your order number and an email confirming that you placed your order, but the order will be processed only after you have made a payment. So you're going to take that order number and go to the bank with account number that is displayed on your email or on the screen after placing an order, and then deposit that amount into the account using that order number as a reference. The website will automatically send you your ticket via email. And then if you're using instant EFT, you're going to use an OZO. Okay, before you pay with OZO, you must have your bank account application, the one that you can be able to log in, the one that you need to authorize the payment. As you can see, there's Capitec, FNB, Absa, Standard Bank, and all the banks in South Africa. And then with OZO, what you need to do is you're going to go to OZO and then place order. In this case, I'm going to give example with Capitec Bank. So I'm going to choose Capitec Bank, and it say it needs an account number or username. In this case, I'll suggest you use an account number unless you know your banking app username. And then from then, click login. Then Capitec is going to send you a message on your app to confirm the payment. And then you open your app and then you use your password to confirm. After confirming, automatically OZO will pick up your bank account, and then you choose the bank account that you want to use. Let's say if you want to use savings, you click savings, and then you say pay R100 will reflect into account, and you will receive your a ticket. That is that on how to buy our Cunget Festive plug with my Africa using two payment method, which is direct bank payment and also instant EFT.